guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing duck walks. We are going to begin in a low squat. Our feet are going to be hip distance, maybe a little wider, toes going to be pointing out a little bit. We want to stay as low as we absolutely can, but we also want to stay flat on our feet. I don't want you guys up on your toes on these. This is supposed to open your hips. It's not going to be comfortable. So we're going to be not in our resting squat, but in a squat-ish position. We do want our hips low, our chest to stay high and upright the entire time. And then walking on our whole foot, keeping our hips low, going forward and backward, hips low, chest high.